Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change your profile picture on Meta Business Suite using your PC in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and go to business.facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. On the left-hand menu, click on Pages and select the business page where you want to change the profile picture. Once you are on your page, click on your profile picture. A menu will appear with the option to edit profile. Click on it. Click on Change Photo. Then upload an image from your computer or choose an existing one. Adjust the cropping if needed, then click Save. Once you save the changes, your new profile picture will update instantly. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page. And that's it. You have successfully changed your profile picture on Meta Business Suite using your PC. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.